Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about traffic analytics in Azure. Let's understand traffic analytics. Traffic analytics is a cloud-based solution that provides visibility into user and application activity in cloud networks. Traffic analytics analyzes Network Watcher Network Security Group (NSG) flow logs to provide insights into traffic flow in your Azure cloud. With traffic analytics, you can visualize network activity across your Azure subscriptions and identify hot spots. Identify security threats to, and secure your network, with information such as open ports, applications attempting Internet access, and virtual machines (VM) connecting to rogue networks. Understand traffic flow patterns across Azure regions and the Internet to optimize your network deployment for performance and capacity. Pinpoint network misconfigurations leading to failed connections in your network. Let's understand why traffic analytics. It is vital to monitor, manage, and know your network for uncompromised security, compliance, and performance. Knowing your environment is of paramount importance to protect and optimize it. You often need to know the current state of the network, who is connecting, where they're connecting from, which ports are open to the Internet, expected network behavior, irregular network behavior, and sudden rises in traffic. Cloud networks are different than on-premises enterprise networks, where you have NetFlow or equivalent protocol-capable routers and switches, which provide the capability to collect IP network traffic as it enters or exits a network interface. By analyzing traffic flow data, you can build an analysis of network traffic flow and volume. Let's understand how traffic analytics works. Traffic analytics examines the raw NSG flow logs and captures reduced logs by aggregating common flows among the same source IP address, destination IP address, destination port, and protocol. For example, host 1 IP address 10.10.10.10 communicating to host 2 IP address 10.10.20.10 100 times over 1 hour using the port, for example 80, and protocol, for example HTTP. The reduced log has one entry, that host 1 and host 2 communicated 100 times over 1 hour using port 80 and protocol HTTP, instead of having 100 entries. Reduced logs are enhanced with geography, security, and topology information, and then stored in a log analytics workspace. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook about traffic analytics in Azure. For more audiobooks, please check our site cloudaudiobooks.in or download Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.